Hi guys, Tanya here, and I just want to share with you some salad cups that I'm making to give you some ideas. I got those 16-ounce plastic cups you get from Dollar Tree, no, not Dollar Tree, Walmart, and they're under $4 for a pack of 50. And I just put all my favorite salad fixings in there. At the bottom, there are some olives. Then I have a spring mix, some organic spring mix. Then there's some chopped up English cucumbers there. Then I layered that with some chickpeas. I love chickpeas. And some grape tomatoes, more olives, and an orange pepper as the garnish. And I'm gonna whip up a citrus vinaigrette to go on that. So these are good, just to have on deck for the weekend, or just have a couple of salads made up so you don't always have to fix a salad. Your salad's already good to go. All right, so just wanted to share that with you. Now I have 4 done. I have 24 more to go. I'm at home now. I'm doing these for myself, and then I'll have to do some for a cast and crew. All right, so I always like to test things out at home, see how I like things at home first, and then, then I'll give it an option for, for crafty. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. See you in my next video.